Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my morning skincare routine with you guys. As you can see, I just woke up. I'm barefaced and I'm going to show you guys literally what I do in the morning in terms of skincare. My skincare does change all the time because I get sent so many different products in the post, and I love trying so many different products because they're so amazing. But this is what I'm using right now. But before I begin anything, I need to brush my teeth. So let's do that now. So just like most of you guys, I am pretty addicted to my Instagram. So I pretty much am always checking my social media as I brush my teeth. But the next thing that is super important is water. Make sure you guys are drinking a lot of water in the morning. I like to drink at least one of these bottles. So in the morning, I don't like to cleanse every single day. I do cleanse some days, and I wouldn't use like an oil cleanser. I generally just use a normal foaming cleanser. But if I feel like my skin doesn't need the cleansing, I just go in with some rose water and some cotton swab. But what I like to do is, as soon as I wash my face, I just spray the rose water on my face, and then I would go make my coffee or tea. So I'm gonna make my coffee and then I'm gonna get back to my skincare, and by that time my skin will be super hydrated from the rose water. This one is glycerin with rose water, and I feel like it gives me the most radiant looking skin. So guys, at this stage my rose water is mostly absorbed. Any excess, I usually just clean it off with a cotton pad like this. And then the next thing I need to do every morning is threading. This is probably not a problem for a lot of you guys, but I am so hairy, so I need to make sure I don't have like any excess hair growing out of my face. So generally I would thread very quickly, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Another thing I'm not sure if I mentioned is that I wash my face with really cold water when I first wake up. So that's what I do before I apply that rose water. Now I'm just going in with my serum. I am using the vitamin C serum that I've been loving so much. This has helped my skin so much, and every time I stop using it, I can definitely see a big difference in my skin. This is one of my favorite ones and it's super affordable. I actually did a whole video on this brand, so I will also link that below. And this actually, because it makes the skin like so supple and so smooth, it's really good for when I'm applying makeup as well. So with moisturizers, I've got two moisturizers which I love. I've got the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I literally go back to this. I've been using this for probably like 10 years now. And then I've also got the vitamin C moisturizer, and this has an SPF of 30. So just really depends on how my skin is. If it's a bit more dry, I'll go with the Cetaphil, and if it's not as dry, I'll go in with the other one and then use another sunscreen. So I just applied that all over my face. So to finish off, I am putting the Ordinary Caffeine Solution under my eyes because I need to wake up. I just feel like this gives me like a cooling sensation under the eyes. I use a lot of different under eye products all the time, So this is just something I'm trying out right now. It's good. It doesn't give like a dramatic difference, but you know, if you just want something to use every day, it's not bad, guys. So we can't forget the lips. I am just putting this Laneige lip glowy balm. Oh my god, it actually tastes so good. Okay guys, that is it for my morning skincare. This is how my skin looks after I do all of those steps. It's actually really basic, I think. But you know, anyone can follow it. I like to keep it basic because I've been super lazy. I like to do most of my skincare at night, like layering on products and facials and stuff. So that is what I do at night. This is just my quick morning routine. If you guys want to see my nighttime skincare routine, let me know down below and I would love to film that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below, and bye guys.